What's up guys, I'm Dominic with Budget Plants, and today we got Agave attenuata, commonly known as Foxtail Agave. Ready, set, go! Alright, calm down you tequila guys. This is not that agave that you can chop up and the core makes delicious adult beverages. No, that's not this one. This is Foxtail Agave, or sometimes called Lion's Tail Agave or Swan's Neck Agave, for the incredible flower that it produces. We're going to talk about that a little bit later, but it's an incredibly popular agave to use in the landscape for what I'm considering the #1 reason is because it does not have thorny little spines that jab you every time you brush up against this thing. It's more of a delicate kind of flexible tip, so very, very nice. It's a very garden-friendly type of agave. It's also super drought tolerant, so it can go right along with other California natives, Southwestern natives, cacti and succulents, and it will just blend in and just create a nice, vibrant specimen in the landscape. All right, let's pop over to the quick facts. The USDA classifies agave attenuata in zones 10 through 12. It's gonna get about 4 to 5 feet tall by about 6 to 7 feet wide. This plant is considered evergreen. Plant this agave in full sun or shade. We consider this an infrequent bloomer because you have to wait about 4 to 10 years to get a bloom out of the plant. With that said, it's incredibly showy and worth the wait. Now, as a side note, only the rosette that produces the bloom will die back. So you can cut off that rosette and let the other pups kind of just clump out and do their thing and take over, or you can pull the whole plant out and replant just one of the rosettes, and now you have a single specimen again. So the choice is yours. The agave attenuata is native to Mexico. We consider this a low watering need plant. And other notes, this agave is deer tolerant and also has a mild toxicity to it. All right, now I want to chat with you guys a little bit about the many different design uses for this agave. And the first one, like we kind of hit on a little bit earlier, is you can use it as a single specimen, and that does require you to kind of trim up the little pups from the base, and it just kind of stems up and creates a single rosette at the top. And that is just super dramatic. It makes a wonderful accent in the garden. And just use it in areas that you want to attract the eye. Flanking a window or up by an entryway or gate where you want to create some architectural drama. Now, a second way you can use it is let it clump out with multiple rosettes. And that kind of creates a backdrop for your landscape. At about 4 to 5 feet tall, you know, it's just kind of going to create this nice medium green tone for some other more foreground plants in front of it. And now when you let it clump out like that, it's a little bit more of a natural form, and you can use that in kind of a southwestern garden or California native garden, and it just has that more organic, natural form to it. A third way you can use the agave attenuata is as a potted plant. And you can, again, let it be a single specimen, or you can plant other cool little succulents and cacti and grasses around it. And what that does is just create color and texture contrast. And you can just kind of jam every square inch of soil with another succulent or whatever you want in there. It just makes a really fun arrangement. So guys, that's just about it for this agave. I hope you enjoyed it and found the information helpful. If you are not on the website already, go to budgetplants.com where we've got more information on this agave and many others. We've got videos and photos, and it's just a cool place to hang out and get information. And if you guys are on YouTube, please do all that, like and subscribe and share and all that fun YouTube stuff. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed hanging out with you guys today. And in the meantime, as always, happy planting.